How to log in to MidJourney account with Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your MidJourney account with Discord. Now to get started, first of all open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in midjourney.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of MidJourney. Once you reach to this page, here at the right bottom, you'll be able to see the login option. Click on login and soon after doing that, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Here you'll be able to see two different options, whether to continue with your Discord account or continue with your Google account. If you'd like to log into your account using Discord, then first of all, you will need to continue with your Google account and then link your Discord account once you have opened the interface. So for now, click on this continue with Google button right here and then now you will need to select your Google account. After selecting your Google account, now you will need to continue to proceed further. Now once you have been logged into your account, here at the left bottom, you'll be able to see My Account option. Click on it and then here you'll be able to see MidJourney Discord. Click on this MidJourney Discord from the menu here. In your Discord page, you will need to click on this Accept Invite button in this pop-up. By doing so, this will open the Discord website. Now once you have been logged into your Discord account, here you'll be able to see your MidJourney server. So this is how you can log into your MidJourney account with Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.